Hi guys, and today I'm going to be talking to you about variables in Python. In the last video, I talked to you about installing Python, and then we did our first program. In this video, we're going to be doing variables. So, in we're going to be doing variables, and we're going to be doing some fun stuff in variables. Yep. So it's a bit boring just doing it in shell. If you wanted to look a bit more professional and you want to like to you want to type it like that, you get onto file and new file. Here. So a good thing to do as a programmer is press Control S. So save. We'll name this variables and we'll save it where we want. Save. So we've saved it. Um, I'll tell you what a variable is now. Variables. If you want to write useful code, you'll need to be able to store and label pieces of information. That's what variables do. Variables are great for all sorts of things, from tracking your score in a game to performing calculations and holding a list of items. So, guys, this is how to create a variable. A variable needs a name. Think of a name that will remind you what's inside the variable. Then decide what you want to store in the variable. This is the variable's value. Type type the name followed by the equal sign followed by the value. We call this assigning a value to the variable. So first I'm just going to do age equals 12. And if I do print age, you go to run and run module. Okay. And it prints for you 12 because you defined the variable. You assigned a value to the variables which was 12, and then that's literally printing 12 because age is 12 and you wanted to print age, so it's printing 12. Hopefully you guys understand that. Naming variables. Choosing good names for your variables will make your program easier to understand. For example, a variable tracking a player's life in a game could be called lives remaining rather than just lives or LR. Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores, but they should begin with a letter. Following the rules shown here. Following the rules, you cannot actually like start the variable with a number. You start the variable name with a letter. So guys, sorry, my little brother's interrupting. So, so guys, this is it. So start the variable's name with a letter. Any letter or number can be used in the variable name. It's just that you have to start it with a letter. Symbols such as the hyphen, comma, slash, slash, like, and this, that, and at the rate aren't allowed. Spaces can't be used. An underscore can be used instead of a space. An underscore. Okay. Uppercase, capitals, and lowercase letters are different. Python will treat capital S core and lowercase s core as two different variables. So Python's case sensitive. Avoid words Python uses as commands, such as print. So don't make your variable name print. So guys, a good thing to do as a good programmer is always put a comment. So hashtag, if you put a hashtag in, you could write whatever you want to remind you what your program is, and the computer won't read that while executing your program. We're gonna just type hashtag printing var- variables. So guys, I'm gonna show you something cool now. Um, so now let's make a variable called name. Name equals input. So when you mean input, look, let me just type the whole thing, the whole code, and I'll tell you. So type in your name. Name equals input, type in your name. This is what that means. Name is a variable, and then you're asking the user to type in a name. So this name, the variable contains what the answer is. The variable name contains the answer. That's what input is. When you type in input, input means like what the user gives the computer. So if I press control, so if I run this program, type in your name, Izan. If I type in Izan, then name equals Izan right now. And now that's input. That's input. And then um so now let's print hello name. So that prints hello name. You guys have to put a comma there and then a space and then name. That's the syntax for Python. So hello name. That will print hello Izan if I do Izan. So type in your name. Izan. Hello, Izan. You could do any name. Like, I might do Adib. Hello, Adib. Or I might do Sam. Hello, Sam. So, guys, play around with this program. It's very fun. Um, when I started programming, I did a lot of fun stuff with this. I played around with it. Guys, you have to play around with this program. If you just follow instructions, you won't learn. Play around with it. Make good programs, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, go check out our Python tutorial, our first Python video on like how to get Python, how to download it. So bye, guys. See you later.